What's up, guys? Dave here. Something new I just found out. If you ship a good bit of UPS stuff, or you don't have to ship a bunch of it, but if you're, maybe your local UPS store is closed, because a lot of them close kind of early, 6:30, 7 o'clock. Some of them even earlier than that on weekends. And if you're trying to get your UPS package out, something you may not know, a lot of Advance Auto Parts have what's called access points. And all you do is take your package to Advance Auto Parts, go inside the store. One of the employees will actually scan your barcode of your package on their terminal. I think it's pretty cool. I've used it several times, actually. Because I can never make it to the UPS store on time. Sometimes there's drop boxes scattered throughout, major cities, especially in industrial parks and that sort of thing. But yeah, look for Advance Auto Parts. Or if you just Google UPS access point, quite often it will send you to a local Advance Auto Parts. I think that's pretty cool. And it may be very helpful. If our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen. Scan through our channel. We got hundreds of videos, stuff that'll help you out, do-it-yourself stuff, working on cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, stuff around the house, technology stuff, YouTube, eBay, how to do things online. We got all kinds of stuff. So check it out. And look for our social media links in the description. And that's it. Biker Dave signing off. You'll have a great day. We'll see y'all later.